Hey guys, this is how I bypassed factory reset protection on my Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone. I did a factory reset on the phone, and when that was done, I got a screen that looked like this, asking to verify the Google account that was previously used on the phone. And I don't know that. I didn't know that information. And if you don't know it, the phone is useless. You can't get past this screen. So I did a lot of research trying to figure out what to do and came across this website called unlockjunky.com. And all that they do is unlock phones and bypass factory reset protection. I just want to let you know I'm not affiliated in any way with this website or service. I just am a random guy that happened to find them. And they have a whole list of phones that they'll do in different prices, and my phone costs $37. So before I did anything, I Googled reviews for Unlock Junky, and I came across Trustpilot. Trustpilot has most of the Unlock Junky reviews. Most of the reviews are good. There's a few that are not. There's always going to be a few bad reviews. And most of the bad reviews were people that were upset that their phone couldn't be unlocked. And Unlock Junky, or Marcus is the guy associated with it, he would always refund them. If you can't unlock your phone, you get a refund. So what's the big deal, right? No problem. And he's in there on Trustpilot. He's responding to these bad reviews. So that says a lot. So I came over here, and there's a little chat now on the Unlock Junky website. So I grabbed the serial number off the phone. On this phone, it's on the back of the phone. And I just checked it first. I checked it on Verizon, AT&T, and Sprint. You can just Google how to verify a phone serial number, and you just enter it on these websites, and it checks the database and makes sure that the phone isn't like locked to the carrier or blacklisted or something like that. It showed good on all three, and then I came over here to this chat log. Let me show you our chat. Scroll up here to the top. All right, so the first thing I did, I sent Marcus the serial number and the phone make and model, and I asked if he can bypass the factory reset protection. He said yes. Then I went over to my other tab. I had the PayPal loaded and ready. I paid him right away, the $37. And then a few seconds later, he was back in here on the chat, like messaging me. He probably saw the payment come through. He knew that I was ready to go. I'm sitting here at the computer. I have my plug, this here. Let me see if I can show you this. The USB-C plugged for my computer. I had that ready, and I plugged that into the phone just like he told me to do. I just followed his directions. It was really easy. It only took a few minutes. I just did what he said. The only hiccup on my end was the phone didn't allow pop-up. That didn't show up at first, and after a minute it did. And once it allowed pop-up, he was able to complete the bypass, and the phone restarted, and it was great. It was like a brand new phone. There was no more screen that looked like this. So I just wanted to make this video in case there's someone else out there who is trying to bypass this factory reset protection. It is a security feature implemented on Android phones by Google for good reason, but there's many reasons that someone might need to bypass it legitimately. And there's a lot of weird information out there and sketchy software on weird looking websites that I didn't want to download this software from these other websites. I didn't trust it. This is a business that only unlocks phones. I figured it's probably a good bet that it will work, and it did. So there you go. Unlockjunky.com. Give it a try if you're trying to bypass this factory reset protection screen.